Welcome to Motorhome Luxury, where we bring you the latest reviews, features, and expert opinions from the world of luxury travel on wheels. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the 2026 Lexus Armadillo Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and five-star comfort. When it comes to motorhomes, not every brand knows how to truly combine innovation with comfort. But Lexus has always been that name which redefines luxury, and this time, they've raised the bar once again. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving luxury palace designed to make every journey unforgettable. Right off the bat, the exterior design grabs your attention. The front view is bold and striking, with the signature oversized Lexus grille stealing the show. On either side, you'll find sleek LED headlamps with golden light strips that not only add a premium touch, but also enhance aerodynamics. At night, this setup makes the motorhome look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. From the front, it almost reminds you of a luxury yacht or even a space shuttle. Move to the side and you'll notice those massive windows, glowing neon accents, and 8 stylish heavy-duty wheels that scream elegance and power. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement. Step inside and the bedroom feels nothing short of a luxury hotel suite. At the center, there's a plush king-sized bed with a premium mattress designed for maximum comfort after long drives. Behind the bed, a custom LED-lit headboard sets the mood, while hand-picked wall art and glossy black furniture give the space a modern, chic vibe. Hidden storage compartments maximize functionality without sacrificing design. The LED strip lighting across the ceiling and floor edges adds that futuristic glow, creating the perfect nighttime atmosphere. Nearby, a smart control panel lets you adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment screens, all at the touch of a button. The living room inside this Lexus Motorhome feels more like an upscale lounge. Wide, plush sofas on both sides are upholstered with premium fabric and soft cushions. In the center, a glossy black coffee table paired with decorative accents ties the whole room together. Ambient LED lighting, elegant lamps by the windows, and a second smart control system give you full control over your environment. This is the perfect spot to relax, socialize, or just kick back during a long trip. Now, the kitchen is where this motorhome really shines. Finished in black and silver with glossy surfaces, it looks absolutely stunning under the smart LED lighting. Lexus has packed it with the latest appliances. A modern induction cooktop for fast and safe cooking, built-in oven and microwave for convenience, a wine cooler and oversized refrigerator to keep everything fresh on the road. The countertops feature a marble-inspired design, durable yet elegant, while the sink area is equipped with a state-of-the-art faucet. There's even a dining counter for quick meals or casual chats. Organized cabinetry ensures everything stays neat and accessible. This isn't just a travel kitchen, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Of course, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome wouldn't be complete without smart tech everywhere. With the integrated control system, you can manage lighting, temperature, entertainment screens, and more through your smartphone or the inbuilt touch panels. Other standout features include high-speed Wi-Fi, multiple smart TVs, a premium surround sound system, and full climate control. Basically, every feature you'd expect in a luxury home is right here, on wheels. All in all, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome is the perfect fusion of luxury, technology, and comfort. Its exterior looks like a futuristic masterpiece. The bedroom gives you five-star hotel vibes. The living room doubles as a high-end lounge, and the kitchen rivals that of a modern home. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a new definition of luxury travel. Lexus has once again proved they're ahead of the game, creating something truly unique. So if you're someone who wants the comfort of home, the luxury of a resort, and the freedom of the open road, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome is absolutely worth considering.